Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to click photo on portrait mode on your mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on camera, then from here you're able to see the portrait. Okay, so click on portrait, then after you have been click on portrait, just try to click photo. When you click photo on portrait mode, it means that the background will be blur and the image will be clear. Okay, just try to click photo in somewhere that you want to click photo. The only image will be stay, okay, and the background will be blur. Okay, so you try to click photo, it will be best. Okay, and friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.